everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful shawl. It's so feminine, it's so delicate. As you can see, it features a beautiful shell stitch design. And as always, the free pattern will be available on my website, selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. And it is a V-shaped yarn and it's perfect for the colder months. As you can see, I did use a lovely soft fluffy yarn. So for this project, I used Caron Latte Cake in shade Plum Fresh, and I did use 2 balls, and it's an amazing yarn. It's super soft and pretty, and I will be linking all of the materials in the description box. And as I said, I used 2 balls of that yarn. It's quite a large ball, and it is 100% polyester, I believe, and it is considered a chunky weight yarn, and that's also called bulky in American terms. I will also be using a 6.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. I will be speaking in US terms with the British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and without further ado, I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, you will be making a slip knot, and as you can see, I am demonstrating the stitch with a different yarn. Pop your hook through, and now you will be chaining 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you've chained 4, slip stitch through the first chain on your hook to close off this ring, and this is what we have. And we will be working inside this ring. So to begin, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet, and we will be fastening in the loose end as we go. I'm just going to zoom in slightly. So now we will be placing 6 double crochets inside the ring, and this counts as our first double crochet. So to create a double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and this creates a double crochet. And now place another 5 inside this center. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. And because this is what we have, and because our first chain 3 counts as a double crochet, we now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets in total. So this is row 1 for row 2, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn your work, and this does not count as a stitch. We are going to be going into the first stitch here with a single crochet, so place your hook directly through, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and this creates a single crochet, and this has created a ring into which we will be placing our next double crochets in the next row. Now you are chaining 3, 1, 2, 3. You are counting 1, 2 and 3 stitches from the single crochet, and we are placing a single crochet into this, like so. And now chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and you are going to be placing, skipping 1 and 2 stitches and going into the last stitch here, which is also the chain 2 from the previous row, and you are going to be placing a single crochet into the third chain, which is a stitch. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and go back in with a single crochet, and this closes off round 2. Okay, so for row 3, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, turn your work, and this counts as a double crochet. Go into the ring here with 6 double crochets, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets, and because so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because this chain 3 here counts as a double crochet, this equates to 7 double crochets. Now you are going to be skipping this chain 3 from the previous row and go directly into the single crochet with a single crochet like so, and now go directly into the ring with 7 double crochets. So just go ahead and place 7 double crochets inside that ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, this is row 3. So as you can see, we are simply going to be repeating these last 2 rows over and over. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, turn your work, and now place a single crochet into this stitch. So go ahead and place a single crochet into this stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, skip the next 2 stitches and go into the next, which is the 4th stitch from the beginning of this row. Place a single crochet into that, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now that you've chained 3, skip the next 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, and go into the next with a single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and place another single crochet into this same stitch. This is what we have, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So we've chained 3, and we will be going into the 4th stitch, so count 1, 2, 3, 4 with a single crochet, and chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and go directly into the last stitch, which is the chain 3 from the previous row, with a single crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go back into the stitch with a single crochet. And this is what we have. And now I'm just going to show you the last row, and then I'll let you repeat this stitch over and over. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, turn your work, and this counts as a double crochet. Now place 6 more double crochets to create 7 in total. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and this creates our first shell stitch. Go into the single crochet from the previous row, so we skip the chain 3, skip the chain 3 and go into this ring here with 7 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now skip the 3 chains here and go into this stitch here with a single crochet, and now go into the last ring with 7 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is what we have. And so now just repeat over and over, adding your shells as you go. Okay, so just carry on this pattern until you have 56 rows in total. And if you need more help, just rewind my video and don't forget to check out the free pattern for the full details. But it's pretty easy. So anyways, once you've done your 56 rows, just fasten off and then tidy up all your loose ends. And that's it. You have this beautiful and fluffy gorgeous project. I love how this yarn just creates the most beautiful color variations. I just love it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other projects you would like me to do, and I'll be happy to do that project for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.